Sit Means Sit, we believe that dogs are more than just pets, that they're family. And we also believe that training is more than just a transaction, it's relational. With that in mind, we'd love to tell you about our new training program we call Day Training. The way a day train works is you bring your dog to our Cumming facility, usually first thing in the morning. You pass them off to the hands of their professional trainer. Then your family member gets to spend the whole day working one-on-one with their trainer, learning the goals that you've set and also some skills we like to teach every dog to help them be well-mannered. At the end of the day, you come back and pick up your dog. Rather than jumping in the car and running straight home, you get a full private lesson with your dog and your professional trainer. And that helps us transition that training from the trainer over to the owner, which makes the dog much happier back home and facilitates a really smooth transition. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, check us out online and give us a call. We'd love to sit down with you and do a consultation and make sure that our day program is the best fit for you and your family. Thanks a lot.